Hey YouTube, it's been a long time, really long time I guess. I don't know how long it's been since the last update, but here's a little what I'm gonna have on the channel this summer, spring. I got a bunch of stuff collected here, kind of piled up now. I think this had a blown Vanguard, but I have another one for it. Oh, that was a freebie. Yeah, that's a freebie. This one came in too a while ago. It's just been sitting here. Also another freebie. With a Kohler. I don't know what's wrong with it. 573 hours it says. I just kind of got it and parked it here. So this will come up at some other point in the spring or summer. Yeah, I think she's pretty roached. At least I tried though. Had to get that last cut, I guess. So I'll pop the engine off that, scrap it. Oh, this is a freebie. Yeah, I don't know. It could be savable, or it could be parts. Don't know. Kind of got it and left it. This has a no start issue. I want to say it's probably going to be the safety switches, but I don't know. I got a good deal on it, and yeah, we'll get to that at some point. This one I also got I paid for that zero turn, but they're cheap for what they are. This one's actually in nice shape, complete bagger, looks really nice shape. It had gas in the oil, so I drained that and put some fresh oil in it, but I haven't tried starting it yet. That should be a good profit maker. I do have the bags inside. It looks rough, but I know I got a hood for it. I don't know. It'll probably be fixed. It's only 1,000. I gotta scrap these this year. Nobody buys those around here. This too. I'm gonna rip some parts off for eBay and send it on its way. I tried selling it, but I have no use for it, so it has to go. Oh, what are we on? Not much. My hood collection still. I'm gonna pick this up. That's a good. Junk snowblower, bad engine, another junk one. I sold the engine though. It's the Tecumseh engine. Ooh, I got another zero turn. I got into this at the end of the season last year. Only paid $100 for the zero turn. And the problem with it was it had no starting issue, and it was the relay right there. So now I drove it here now. It does need a carb cleaning, but I didn't want to clean the carb and just have it sit all winter. that wasn't a bad $100 fine. I will, that'd be an easy fix. I gotta fix the flat. I got another zero turn here. This is, was this Toro something? Time cutter probably. Got a good deal on that too. I don't know, this one I drove here, this one doesn't needs the tires fixed and a carb cleaning maybe? I know it needs a new battery. Oh, it needs the dang key switch sticks on. So it needs a new ignition switch, which I probably have. Oh, let's see. This one I drove here. It's gonna need some deck work, I'm sure, and oh yeah, you can see the cable here. But I drove it here. That's all I remember. This one runs and drives good. Y'all wondering probably why I did this, but look at, there ain't no mouse nest in there. I left all the hoods like that, and this year, let's see if any come out. Yeah, see? No mice this year. That's why you're gonna see all these hoods that were propped up like that. It's because of the mice. Oh. Yeah. I never got it started. I don't know if I even want to. I may, just so I can sell the engine. I have no use for this thing. But when it's free, it's free. Whew. Well, this one. This is kind of like the one, the same thing that's on my trailer. But this one I think is a 6-speed. Yep. 46. Yeah, same thing as my trailer. But the engine is locked up. I don't know why it's locked up yet. I originally paid like $150 for this tractor with a cart. No, I paid $100 for this tractor with one of those tow behind carts. And the cart was like brand new, so I sold the cart for 125 bucks. So this tractor is free. And I got like 4 of those 18 horses, so, or 20 horse, that ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. Still a nice tractor. Not as nice as the one on my trailer, but it'll fix. This one, I honestly don't even know where it came from, how I got it. I just don't remember. I only wanted it for the engine. It's not even a big engine, but it's a 14 horse. OHV, which is good. Yeah. That's all that was. Oh, let's see. What is this? That is my... No, that's my brother's tractor. That one is not mine. He got that for free, though. He drove it there. Everything works on it. What is this? Craftsman. Damn, hood left wide open. It's cool. This one's mine, too. Another Troy built. Craftsman 1000. Nothing special. Same with this one. John Deere. I got a Saber. I do have, oh. That's a junk Craftsman. Scrap. This one here, engine's good. Obviously no hood, no deck, I sold it. I think I'm just gonna make this into a tow tractor. Like a wrecker tractor, so I can just pick these up and move them around. That one needs an engine and a seat, which I have that stuff. I think that's the deck for it right there. Plenty of hoods. hoods. Another Saber. That one just has carb issues. This one I was supposed to buy, but I got there, the guy had 2 of them. He's like, well, if you take the junk one and you take this one, I'll give them to you both for free. So, yes, I got this one, and the other one's at another spot. Yeah, no mice. You got another Craftsman there. These Toros gotta go this year. These Toros have been here for like 2 years. At least 2 years now. So I gotta do something with them and get them gone. This guy I got this from, I think this tractor had 400 and, oh no, like 400 and something hours, 300 something hours. He said it smoked a lot, and he just, I don't know, I used it, it still hasn't smoked for me, so that's gonna be a nice return. That was a freebie. I mean, look at the seat. Like, I'm pretty sure it's like 367 hours or something like that. It ran great. He said it smoked. Even if it does end up smoking, that ain't nothing. Probably a head gasket or something. It has the, you know, brakes and Stratton. So a head gasket wouldn't be a uncommon thing for these. I'll try it out in the summertime and use it a little bit before I get rid of it, but that's gonna be a nice one. I don't remember where this one came from. I think I had it for a little bit. Maybe not. Maybe last year. I know I had that one last year. Oh, I think I paid 75 bucks for this, but it came with 2 engines. Yeah. Another one of those Briggs. This nice thing. I've had one of these before, 2-3 years ago. Not as nice as this one. This one's the one I had before. All that was cut up and the hour mirror didn't work. This thing only has 74 hours on it. An old guy said, you can have it, come get it, or I'm putting it out by the road for free. So he gave me this and some other stuff. I think I must have sold the other stuff. I don't remember what it was, but he gave me this and some other stuff. Some nice stuff. 74 hours on this. I mean, you can tell, look at it. Look at the exhaust. I bought new blades for it. These are the ones you gotta time, but that's pretty simple. Yeah. After 5 years, the original, see, this gave out. My tent's still standing. My tent didn't go nowhere. I did tenting for 17 years, so I didn't expect my tent to go anywhere, but the fabric did not like the UV rays from the sun and just disintegrated. But my tent is still standing. All the storms I've had never blown away. Never. Man, yep. See, yeah, I got engines there, engines there. I got a mess. There's the engine for the John Deere. Engines. So, oh, it smells like gas in here. Covered. It must be leaking on this mini bike. That's what it is. I'm gonna have to get a new top for this or something. Frame's still good, so I have to figure out something to fix this tent. Kind of sucks, but I mean, I'm shocked I got as long as I did. I can tell you, man. Yeah, I got some cleaning to do up here, and as soon as it gets a little bit warmer, we got a snowstorm coming today. Got some extra decks over there. See all the stuff with X's on it. I gotta scrap out. That's about it, I guess. I would say so. Snowblower worked good this year. Man, Man, this chopper. I've been trying to sell this thing. I don't ever use it. It's been sitting ever since I got it. Huh. Intense. Anybody into BMX? Would you scrap this thing or would you keep it? I found that in the trash. It's an all aluminum bike. Frame's aluminum, the wheels are aluminum. It's light. I don't know much about them though. That's what it is. Kind of cool though. Couldn't bring myself to scrap it yet. I think it's like a $600 bike, $500 bike. I don't know. Well, I guess that's it. Yeah, see, that's what the tents normally look like. Alright, I guess I'll close it off on this. Yeah, I shouldn't have left this out, but I have nowhere to put it. Like, the guy said I needed a cord. I will save that base if I do scrap it. I hate to scrap it because that's good American, these are sought after by collectors and stuff. So, I'd rather part it out on eBay at least. You know, part what I can. Alright, folks. Until next time. Stony out.